Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app. After open the phone app, just tap on three dots, then go to settings option. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to supplementary services and give it a moment. Now from here you can select your SIM card. You can choose SIM 1 or SIM 2. Now I am select the SIM 1. Just tap on call forwarding, then just tap on allow, then choose any option. Now I am select voice calls. Now here you can find four kinds of call forwarding: always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and another is forward when unreachable. Now I am select forward when busy. Then type your number. You can choose any contacts from your contact list. Just tap on this icon and then choose any contact or number. If I select it and then tap on enable and give it a moment again, and that's it. You can see call forwarding has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable it, just tap here again and then remove the number, then tap on disable, and you can see it's disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.